I started studying for a BSc Honours in Pharmaceutical Science in 2009. I went as a mature student, so I suppose I'd learnt a lot of life lessons at that stage, so I was able to kind of treat my course like a full-time job. TSSG are always in the news. They're always doing something good, something techie. And I had I suppose a bit of what I think is a bright idea anyway from my time in college and from being on industrial placement. So knowing that the TSSG were in the software sphere, I knew that they were going to be one of my first contacts, first people to call. So contacted TSSG, contacted Catherine, very friendly, very welcoming, and she really kind of set out the whole process in terms of mapping out how AFEX and how the TSSG could collaborate together. The whole process was quite straightforward. Catherine had mapped out the process from A through to Z, so the onus was on myself to be able to go ahead and put forward the application, and even putting forward the application, Catherine and the team were very helpful with that. The innovation voucher, was really critical in getting our project up and running. We needed to define our user requirements, what we wanted our software to do, the ins and outs of it, and define out what we wanted this to actually do. The outcome of the innovation voucher was essentially a technology roadmap which outlined all the good stuff that our software will do in the future. That kind of laid us on to the next voucher, matched innovation voucher. So we defined what we wanted to do. We just wanted to now define exactly how it would look. So we wanted to kind of start putting together a design, start building some wireframes and trying to understand the whole look and feel of the software, get the input and advice of software engineers and designers in order to streamline our software and make it more user-friendly. And that's what I really found beneficial about that whole process. And the whole application process was pretty much the same as well. Enterprise Ireland funded 50% of it, and we funded the remaining 50% of it, and we found it very beneficial to date. Really innovative designs, really in keeping with what I had in my mind. It's very interesting to see these wireframes and this design kind of come together, because I had come up with this idea 5 years ago, and to actually kind of, see your baby being born, or if I could use that type of analogy, that's kind of what it was like. It's like you're kind of seeing it for the first time. So it was very exciting and delighted with the end product.